can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Dash. Dash over the last 1 week has rallied up by over 100%. Over the last 1 month, it's up 100%. Over the last 24 hours, Dash is up 29%. Dash is currently trading above $83. The market cap is over $1 billion. The fully diluted market cap currently sits above $1.5 billion. In this video, look at Dash performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. How high can Dash go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is there still room for more upside? Should we be selling our Dash stash right now? Look at Dash performance against Ethereum, Dash performance against Bitcoin, and also Dash market cap. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market. Where will Dash end up by the end of the month? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Dash has been pumping over the last 1 week. Dash has been pumping. The privacy narrative is going strong and full. Dash market cap has crossed the $1 billion level. Dash all-time high happened in 2017, December 2017. That's when Dash all-time high happened. Dash traded for as high as $1,600. We saw an all-time low in November. In February of 2014, Dash was trading for just as low as $0.21. If you want to buy some Dash, you can get some Dash on Binance, Coinbase, OKX, Gates, Qcoin, Mexi, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Dash is one of the privacy coins in the cryptocurrency market. Dash is an open source blockchain and cryptocurrency focused on offering a fast, cheap, and global payment network that is decentralized in nature. Dash comes from the word digital cash. It was launched in January of 2014 as a fork of Litecoin. Since then, Dash has been going on strong. If you look at Dash performance against the US dollar over the years, 2017 was its peak. Dash gave us one of the greatest pump of the altcoin market. Look at what Dash did, going from as low as around $1 in January of 2015. Dash rallied up to as high as $1,400 by the end of 2017, which meant Dash returned over 1,300x on investments, which is very crazy. And that's if you even bought Dash after the first dump. If you're one of the smart investors that got Dash when it was at 2 cents, you got more than a 5,900x. Very wild. But after that bull run, Dash had a very crazy crash to Goblin Town, and because of how hard it pumped in 2017, the 2021 pump, even though it was around 1,000%, okay, the 2021 pump was around 1,000% to the upside. Dash couldn't set new all-time highs. It just got stopped out after that 1,000% pump. Dash pumped to as high as $458, and that's when the rally ended for Dash. Since that, then Dash has been in that bear market, just like from 2017 to the bottom in 2020. Dash has been in a bear market, dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, but finally, on the 9th of June 2025, after Dash dumping by 96%, Dash finally found the bottom, and right now, I feel like Dash is back on its way to higher prices. We have seen Dash earlier in 2025, November 2025, Dash rallied to as high as $143 when we had privacy narratives going off. Zcash went on a very crazy run. Dash pumped to $143, and then there was a pullback. The market was trying to shake out weak hands. We saw Dash also dumping to Goblin Town. A lot of these altcoins, guys, are very volatile. For you to get those big gains, you have to stomach those huge losses. Dash went down 73%. But then, those smart investors that held, those even smarter investors that accumulated more right now, they are up a whooping 122% just over the last 1 week. And the market looks very bullish if you put the monthly candle for Dash performance against the US dollar. It looks good for Dash in the coming days and the coming weeks. So the next key level for Dash would be around the $458 level. From where we're currently trading right now, for Dash to rally up to that $458 level, Dash will have to pump by around 442%. And you know something about the altcoin market, guys, when things get moving, it gets moving fast. Why? sentiment is great right now in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of market participants right now are looking and telling themselves, you know what, which coin should I buy? Which one should I get in? Dash just has a market cap of 1 billion. I could easily see Dash market cap rallying straight to as high as 10 billion, maybe 20 billion. That will push Dash at a 20 billion market cap. Hypothetically, guys, will be around Dash trading around $1,600, which is very, very possible, which has happened before. Never say never in the cryptocurrency market. Those huge swings you always see to the downside eventually leads to huge swings to the upside. In the case of Dash, just before this rally started, we had seen Dash pull up down 96%, down 97%, and in between those 97 and 96% dump, we still saw Dash going up 1,000%. That's how volatile the altcoin market can be. That's why you trade those altcoins. You hear people talking about there's no altcoin season. A lot of these altcoins are dead. They are not dead. They're just shaking out weak hands. Since June of 2025, all the people that have been buying Dash have been entering the positive. Right now, Dash is up a whooping 381% from that bottom. If we see Dash getting to as high as $449, that should have been up over 2,400%. And if we can get to the previous all-time highs, you see Dash returning over 8,000%. That's how quickly things can escalate in the altcoin market. If you get in early, it doesn't mean you should just go all in, guys. Remember, before you make any investment decision, do the necessary research and analysis. Read the charts, define your risks, have a plan, then plan your trade. Dash still has room to run. If you look at Dash performance against Ethereum and against Bitcoin historically, when a lot of these altcoins are done dumping, they usually have big spells to the upside. Remember, a coin cannot dump forever to zero. At some point in time, the shorts will get squeezed. Look at what Dash has done over the years against Ethereum. Since 2015, Dash has been losing value against Ethereum. It was down 99.96% against Ethereum. But since September, the story has changed. Dash has started gaining against Ethereum. I will not be shocked, guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks we see explosive move to the upside for Dash. Valuation against Ethereum, Dash is now up 437% against Ethereum over the last 5 months. In the coming days and the coming weeks, don't be shocked to see Dash exploding to the upside against US dollar, against Dash, and against Bitcoin. A lot of these altcoins might dump for a very extended period of time against Bitcoin, against Ethereum, but when they get moving very quickly to the opposite direction to catch a lot of market participants off guard. Look how Dash has done against Bitcoin. Since August of 2017, Dash has been dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin, losing 99.84% of its value in the process. What has happened since then, guys, is that Dash has started going to the upside. Hopefully, big pump to the upside. Dash is up moving at 397% against Bitcoin over the last 6 months. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we might see an explosive move for Dash to the upside again against Bitcoin. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market has turned great for the first time since October. The market is very bullish. If you look at Dash market cap finally crossing that $1 billion level, can we get Dash to cross the $4 billion level where we got stuck in 2021? In these market conditions, never say never. When things get moving in the cryptocurrency market, it gets moving fast, and Dash crossed the $10 billion region, maybe even getting to as high as $12 billion. I believe that's possible. That can happen very quickly. The crowd used to get crazy when coins start pumping. Look at gold, look at silver. When things start going parabolic, people that are standing on the sideline are always just trying to jump in, and before you know it, there's a fire lighting up to the upside. And you can't forget the market participants that are also shorting these altcoins. The higher it goes, the more they get liquidated. So a 1,000% pump over the next 1 month. Let's see how it goes, guys. Drop a thought in the comment section. Dash is pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame. Are you buying more Dash right now? How high do you see Dash going before the end of this market cycle? If we get our altcoin season, if we see Bitcoin dominance dumping, if we see Dash pumping over the next few weeks, where do you think Dash can get to? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pay the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.